my name is Nurul Farila Cindy. My matrix number 204707. So today I'm gonna show you how to use a serving gear. What a serving gear is, you may ask. So a serving gear is basically a tool that you use to move food to another plate. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So yeah, let's start. Here I have a serving gear, so I modify it with the fork and a spoon, and over here I have a round and flat food that I modify with the lime and bread. Just imagine this is the real food, okay? So first I'm gonna teach you how to hold a serving gear properly. First, hold your spoon like this. Okay, it's hard for me to explain, but you know, the pinky finger under, and this one is above, this one is under. And then for the fork, you hold it with your thumb, and the next, just lock it with your pinky right here. So basically, the thumb and this finger will move the fork. You get the situation like this. Okay, for this type of hold, you can move it like this. Okay, done. After that, the second one, for the flat food, just turn around the fork like this. Okay, then you just grab your flat food and move it. Okay, done. So yeah, that's how you use a serving gear. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Can I use my glasses? I'm blind. I forget. No, don't. Go there. Yeah, good. Hi, my name is Nurul. Stop. I can't help myself. You're laughing. Hi, my name is Nurul Farila Cindy. No. Hi. Today, no. Come on, stop. Calm down. Calm down. You can do this. Okay. Oh. Sutradaranya nggak ngomong. Let's just jump right in. Just jump right in. Oh, the you